Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 22 Special Fathers. So now let's learn about our topic. So, an inventor is a person who creates something new, and there are many peoples in the world who have become a very well known because of the good things they have done for others. And also the inventors change people lives. So now let's learn about a special father. Number first, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. He was born on 26 December 1791. He was born on 26 December 1791 and died on 18 October 1871. He was born in London, considered the father of computer. So Charles Babbage is a father of computers since he designed the first computer system, the difference engine, followed by the analytical engine. So, Charles Babbage is a father of computers since he designed the first computer system and difference engine, followed by follow the analytical engine. So, Charles Babbage is a father of computers. Charles Babbage, the father of modern computer. So here we can see a photograph of Charles Babbage, and he was a first inventor of computer or a modern computer. So Charles Babbage is the inventor or a father of computer. Now next, he was born on 1791 and died on 1871. And born date is 26 12 1791. Son of a London banker and Trinity College. He was studied in Trinity College, Cambridge, and Lucian professional professorship and mathematician and scientist. He was and mathematician and scientist. So children, you all are understand about Charles Babbage. He was the father of computer and also a inventor of modern computer. So now let's learn another inventor, and it's Alexander Graham Bell. Alexandergrahambell. Alexander Graham Bell. So here we can see a photograph of Alexander Graham Bell, and Alexander Graham Bell born on 3rd March 1847 and died on 2nd August 1922. He was an Scottish born scientist and inventor of engine and inventor who is created with painting and first practical telephone. So, Alexander Graham Bell is a father of a telephone or inventor of a telephone. First, he was an inventor and then engineer and inventor who is uh, credited with patenting and then first practical telephone. So, the first phone, here we can see a first telephone. So, the first phone was patented in 1876 and in the United States. So, the first phone invented in 1876 in United States, and this phone is an invention of Alexander Graham Bell. So this phone is a invention of Alexander Graham Bell, and he was an father of telephone and also inventor of telephone. So childrens, you all are understand about Alexander Graham Bell. So, the phone was invented by a Scottish inventor. Graham Bell is a Scottish engineer, and it's Alexander Graham Bell, and it was invented in 1876. So, Alexander Graham Bell invented the first telephone in 1876, and the first telephone was made in Boston. Boston. So the first telephone made in Boston. So children, you all are understand that a inventor of telephone or a father of telephone is Alexander Graham Bell. So now we are going to learn a next slide and next inventor or a next father. So it's a Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Mahatma Gandhi. So we all know about Mahatma Gandhi. Here we can see a photograph of Mahatma Gandhi. So who is the Mahatma Gandhi? Who was Mahatma Gandhi? Yes, he was a father of nation. And Mohan is full name. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and well known as the father of India or a father of nation, because he was the man who struggled for the India from British rule. And Gandhi was well known as a Bapu, and he was born on 2nd October 1869 and died on 30th January in Delhi by Nathuram Godse. So Gandhi fought the first to gain independence through non-violent. So Gandhiji is the first person who gained independence through non-violence, and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi struggled against British rule, and it's well known as a Bapu. So, children, you all are understand about Mahatma Gandhi because he was a father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi is born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, and full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and officially honored in India as a father of the nation or a Bapu. So, 2nd October is we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and also a international day of non-violence. So, Gandhi ji gain independence with a non-violence. So, children, you all are understand about Mahatma Gandhi. He was a father of nation. So now next, George Washington. So, who is George Washington? George Washington. George Washington. So, here we can see a photograph of George Washington. So, George Washington was the first president of United States and he served two terms from 1789 and 1789 to 1797, and he is called the father of United States. And also Washington as an American rebel. So, in the time between the French and Indian War, the American Revolution, Washington spent his time as a farmer near Mount Vernon, and he, like other planters of this time, had many issues. British merchants, so and regulations. So Washington was known for his resistance against the mother country's oppression. So, Washington is a father of America and served as an officer in the French and Indian War and commander of American army during the Revolutionary War. Signed construction became the first president of United States and the only unanimously elected president. So, said the president to serve only two terms of office. So, children, now next, invention of the telescope. So, who is the father of telescope? So, here we can see a photograph of uh, a Dutch Hans Lippershey. So, Galileo did not invent the telescope. The first idea was created to the Dutch optician Hans Lippershey in 1608. So, Hans Lippershey is first inventor of telescope. And who invented the telescope? Hans Lippershey created with an invention of a telescope. The first person to apply for a patent for a telescope was a Dutch eyeglass maker named Hans Lippershey or Lippershey in 1608. So Lippershey tried to climb on a device with a 3 times magnification. So Hans Lippershey is the father of telescope and also inventor of telescope. So, children, you all are understand about Hans leprosy. So now we are going to learn next slide, and it's Alexandro Volta. So, who is the Alexandro Volta? Here we can see a photograph of Alexandro Volta. So, determined that electricity could be produced by a combination of two different metals in a contact with a cloth moistened with salt water. So, the volt is the unit of electrical potential difference. So, Alexandro Gazib Antonio Ensasio Volta. So, Alexandro Volta, born on 18 February 1745 and died on 5th March 1827. So, Alexandro Volta was an Italian physicist and known for pioneering work in electricity. So, born in Como and educated in public school by 1800, he had developed the so-called voltaic piles, a foreigner of the electric battery, so which produce a steady stream of electricity. So Alexandro Volta is the father of electric battery. And Alexandro Volta was born in Como and February 18, 1745, and in 1774 he became a professor of experimental physics at the University of Pavia and chair the occupied for almost 25 years. And in 1800 he invented the first electric battery which produced a steady electric current, and in honor of his work Volta was made a count by a Napoleon in 1810, and he died on March 5th, 1827. So, Alexandro Volta is a father of electric battery. Okay, children, you all are understand. Now, next, the father of Indian cinema. So, here we can see a photograph of Mr. Palke. So, Mr. Palke was born on April 30 April 1870 in Trivambakeshwar and a small village near Nasik district, India. So, his dad, Daji Sastri Palke, was a college professor of Sanskrit language, and Dada Saheb Palke inherited the best habits for his family. He had studied Ramayana, Mahabharata, Veda, Shastra, epics in his childhood, and he developed a passion for creative art young age, and his first interest was still photography. So Dada Saheb Phalke is the father of Indian cinema, and his first interest was still photography. So, father of Indian cinema is Dada Saheb Phalke. So, Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, popularity known as Dada Saheb Phalke, and he was a director, editor, sound recordist, and special effect person, and master of many other techniques. So, the father of Indian cinema is Dada Saheb Phalke. Now, next, born a father of Pakistan. So, who is the father of Pakistan? So here we can see a photograph of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So he was born on December 25, December 25, 1876 in Karachi, Pakistan. And his father was a prosperous Muslim merchant named Jinnah Punja. So he went to Bombay, India when he was 11 years old, but sent back to Karachi because of his habit of cutting classes. And he received his early education as at the Sindh Maha Madras and later at the Mission School, Karachi. So, the father of Pakistan is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and his father was a prosperous Muslim merchant named Jinnah Punja. He received his early education at the Sindh Madras and the later at the Mission School, Karachi. So, children, the father of Pakistan is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Now, next, Edwin Howard Armstrong. So, Edwin H. Armstrong is born on 1890 and died on 1954. So he was perhaps the greatest EE in history and inventor of the feedback FM radio, feedback amplifier, electronic oscillator, and super heterodynes receiver. So FM radio, these inventions allow for a transmission of voice and music, and his idea are still widely used today. So the history of radio can be traced through the lives of these people: Maxwell, Hatteras, Heaviside, Marconi, DeForest, and Armstrong, and Farnsworth, and Sarnoff. So, the father of radio is Edwin Armstrong. So, now next, Jan Van Eyck. So, he is known as the father of oil painting. So, father of oil painting is Jan Van Eyck, and was the first known artist to achieve recreating real life with oil paints, and very realistic interior scenes show couple exchanging vows in a bride's home. And Jan Vac Eyck born before 1319, but very little is known about his early life before 1422. He moved to Bruges in 1430 and lived there. He died in 1441. He was one of the greatest and most influential painters, and his style was naturalistic, full of realistic details, and he belonged to the early Natharist school, and He was the first painter who mastered the technique of painting, which transforms European paintings. And he was employed as a court painter by Philip the Good of Powerdale, and mm, born in Marseille and Flemish painter, and created with the invention of oil paintings and self-portrait and nine paintings still in the existence, founder of Art Nova. So children, you all are understand about various father or inventor. So now we are going to learn a exercise. So special fathers, unit number 22, special fathers. Name these famous people by referring to the box below. So number first, father of computer. So who is the father of computer? Yes, it's a Charles Babbage. It is Charles Babbage was the father of computer. Now number two, father of telephone. So who is the father of telephone? So it's Alexander Graham Bell. So Graham Bell is the father of computer, telescope. Then number three, father of nation. So who is the father of nation? Yes, it's a Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi is father of nation. Then father of America. So who is the father of America? Yes, it's a George Washington. Washington was the father of America. Then father of telescope. So, father of telescope is Hans Lippershey. So, Lippershey was a father of a telescope. Now, next, father of electric battery. So, it's Alexandro Volta. Volta is the father of electric battery. Father of Indian cinema. So, it's Dada Saheb Palke was the is father of Indian cinema. Then number 8, father of Pakistan. So Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the father of Pakistan. Now number 9, father of FM radio. So it's Edwin H. Armstrong is father of radio, FM radio. Father of oil painting last. So it's Jan Vac was a father of oil painting. So you all enjoy. Hope you all are learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.